Here's how to turn one song and one character image into a music video that cuts to the beat. Browse Explore for inspiration or upload your own track. Upload an audio file or a video that contains the track. For video uploads, VisionStory uses only the soundtrack. Drag the left handle to set the start. Drag the right handle to set the end. To keep the same duration, drag the whole selected range to a different part of the track. Clips can run from 15 seconds to 10 minutes. Preview the selected section. Then confirm it. Open the character selector. Upload a new image, choose your own avatar, or browse the public library. Here, we'll use the performer prepared for this track. Your source image guides the visual direction. Use a clear face, plus the outfit, setting, and style you want the video to follow. Choose 9:16 for short-form video or 16:9 for landscape. Choose 720p, 1080p, or 2K, depending on the level of detail you need. The estimate updates with clip length and resolution. Review the cost, then click Generate. VisionStory analyzes tempo, energy, structure, and lyrics when available. It builds consistent camera setups and animates the performer. Then it edits the shots into a sequence, placing each cut around the beat. When the task is complete, open the finished video and watch it with the original song. Today, we turned one song segment and one character image into a complete music video. Now it's your turn. Upload a track and make it move.